Wait, wait, wait. Why is aloe vera making my comb glide through my 4C hair this easily? Like, excuse me, when did detangling become this smooth? And the craziest part is it helps with moisture, scalp care, hair growth, and even your own skin. Please make sure you're sticking around to see this. Your hair will definitely love this. So yes, guys, let's get straight into it. Today, I am showing you exactly how I make my DIY aloe vera treatment from start to finish. First things first, we start by washing our aloe vera plants. I have 4 pieces that I'm using today. I didn't get the giant aloe vera leaves, but honestly, this medium-sized one still worked perfect. I'm cutting off the white bottom part and also trimming the pointed ends, and then after that, I am removing the thorny sides. Just look at how green and healthy they are. I just love them. Once that is done, I cut everything into smaller pieces so that it becomes easier to work with later on. And now I'm placing everything into a bowl, and then we'll be adding water so as to soak. Do not skip this part. We are soaking this for 30 minutes to 1 hour to get rid of aloin. That yellow sap the plant releases, it sometimes smells weird, it can irritate your scalp. And honestly, it unlocked a core memory. My grandmother used to make us drink aloe medicine as kids. I don't know if you guys remember. That thing tasted like pure unprovoked bitterness. Oh, like bitter with confidence. And funny thing is that it got us healing. I don't know how, but we got healed as fast as you drank that medicine. You felt healed. And now it's finally time to extract the aloe vera gel. Look at this. It looks so satisfying. I'm cutting each piece into half and then scooping everything out with my spoon. And honestly, I prefer scooping because remember my aloe vera leaves were not super huge. But look at that slime. It is amazing to see the amount of gel that we can get from aloe vera. I actually love aloe vera texture so much. And guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely helps my channel grow and helps more naturals find simple DIY treatments like this. So please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So let's talk a few FAQs, frequently asked questions, even as I extract this gel. The first one being, is it low porosity friendly? Yes, it's super lightweight, so it won't just sit on your 4C hair or natural hair. And then can you leave it overnight? I wouldn't. Fresh aloe is organic and has no preservatives. Leave it too long and it can get itchy or smell like just old grass. So 30 minutes to 1 hour is a sweet spot. The last one is, will it irritate? It can. Some plant allergies are real. Always patch test a small area first to avoid irritating your scalp. And look at this. This slime right here is exactly why aloe vera is amazing for hair growth and detangling. The sleep, insane sleep. So yeah, technically you can apply it exactly like this, but personally I prefer blending mine because it makes the application process much easier. I'm adding a little water because if you add too much, it loses that thick slimy texture. Finally, this is what we got. Now I'm straining the aloe vera because we don't want the little particles getting stuck in our hair later. Trust me, trying to remove these aloe vera chunks from 4C hair is not a spiritual journey I want. But guys, do not throw away the part we strained, that is the leftovers. We are actually using this later for our skin because aloe vera wastes nothing. So as you can see, the aloe vera mixture is already a little watery. That's why I added some conditioner to make it creamier and easier to apply onto my hair. And I used a mint conditioner because I love that cooling scalp feeling. And then I put it in an applicator bottle, and here is our final mixture. And before we test this on my 4C hair, make sure you've subscribed if you haven't. We're growing natural hair here. Since our aloe vera is finally ready for application, I start by detangling my hair, and then I'll be sectioning that. You know, I love working in sections. This time I separated my hair into 3 parts, and guys, my hair has actually grown because remember when we used to do 4 smaller sessions? Yes, now we are working with 3. Awesomeness! I love starting from the roots and then working my way down to the ends because it makes a huge difference. And I'm applying session by session. I prefer doing this because it helps you see the difference, and also it helps you manage your hair much better and easily. And immediately I applied the first section, my hair started feeling softer. Oh my god, look at this comb. Look at it gliding through. No fighting, no arguing, no drama. This is exactly why I love aloe vera. We now onto the second section, and the process is just similar. That's how we'll just be doing. We start from the roots to the ends. Now, while I continue applying this, let's talk about why aloe vera is honestly that girl for natural hair. That is the benefits of aloe vera. First of all, aloe vera helps moisturize dry hair. And if your hair constantly feels dry, rough, or hard to manage, aloe vera can help soften it and make it easier to work with. Secondly, it has amazing sleep. Guys, look at this. And this amazing sleep helps in detangling, which means less pulling, less fighting, and hopefully less breakage. Another thing I personally love is how soothing it feels on the scalp. If your scalp gets itchy sometimes, aloe vera can feel really calming and refreshing. And of course, we have to talk about hair growth. So we all know to grow our hair, you need a healthy scalp. So a healthy hair scalp care helps create a better environment for the healthy hair growth over time. Now, aloe vera is not a magic worker overnight juice. No. But healthy, consistent care, I keep talking about being consistent and consistent. It really matters. And please do not forget to do the massages on your scalp while applying these products. Remember that the massages help stimulate blood circulation. And honestly, for me, I just find them so relaxing. And guys, look at the back. My hair already looks softer, juicier, and more moisturized. I'm genuinely loving this. This is exactly why we use aloe vera for detangling and hair growth. And look at the curls forming too. My girls, for the wash and go, this would really make a nice wash and go gel. Who knew aloe vera could define curls this nicely, and it's natural fussy hair? I love, love, love this. Have you tried aloe vera on your natural hair before? And if yes, did your hair love it like this did, or did it say absolutely not? Tell me in the comment section. Because this is your chance to turn that aloe vera that has been growing outside your compound for free into an amazing DIY treatment for your hair growth. The smile on my face can tell it all. I was so happy with the results. So after applying everything, I put on my shower cap and let this sit for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can leave it even longer if you want more of a deep conditioning treatment feeling. And this is the amount of hair that I shed. Honestly, very little if you asked me. And now, remember the aloe vera we strained earlier? This is why I told you not to throw it away. I'm applying it onto my skin because aloe vera is also super popular in skincare. I don't know if you've seen the many skincare products actually containing aloe vera because it helps hydrate and soothe the skin. But this is my skin disclaimer. Please be careful if you have sensitive skin. Like for me, my skin started feeling a little itchy, so I only left it on for around 10 minutes. Everybody's skin reacts differently, so always pay attention to how your skin feels and remove it immediately your skin feels irritated. And yes, guys, this is it for today's aloe vera treatment. I honestly loved how soft, moisturized, and easy my hair felt after this. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural fussy hair content. Bye bye. See you in the next one.